Hey YouTube, it's your girl Ashwin. So I'm back today to give you day 5 and 6 of the 2019 Valentine's Day eyeshadow tutorial. So I'm giving you today looks 5 and look 6. Look 5 will be on this eye, which I'm going to do a pink smoky eye. And then day 6 will be on this eye, which I'm going to do a red smoky eye. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go in with is going to be the color You're Kidding from the James Charles palette. Actually, I'm going to go in with the lighter color to lay down the base first. I'm sorry. So the color that I'm going to use, I think I'm going to use I'm going to go ahead and lay down the pinkity drinkity for this eye. So my hair will get out the way. And for me, pinkity drinkity first is like really light. Like it doesn't show up a whole lot because I'm pretty light skinned. But you'll be able to see some of it. But I didn't want anything too dark. Like I said, I want to use pretty much the red on this eye. So I'm going right in the crease and the lid area with the pinkity drinkity. Once I got a good amount of that down, that's when I'm going to go ahead and go in with You're Kidding. And just pretty much build You're Kidding because it is such a vibrant dark color. And I'm focusing most of the pigment right here on the end. And just windshield wiper spreading it toward the middle. I'm gonna go in with a smaller, more packing brush to see if I can get it a little bit more vibrant. And just kind of pack it on. Because I have a couple of other colors that I want to bring into this red right here. So the second color that, well, the third color that I want to bring in there is, it's like a burnt burgundy color from the ColourPop Rendezvous palette. And the color is called Shake It Off, and it's this one right here. And I'm going into the inner corner with that, just to deepen it up. And the last color I'm going in with is going to be the, I'm going to go back into the Chasing Rainbows palette and use the black, the same black that I used called Prism. And for the center color, where is it? I'm going to go in with a shimmery pink, the one I didn't use from the Chasing Rainbows palette on the pink eye. It's like a shimmery pink called Manifested. And I'm going to go towards the inner portion with that. Just to give it a little bit more color. And then I want to deepen that with the red. And then I'm going to lift the tape off. And go ahead and finish the bottom portion. of my eyes, I'm gonna use, I'm gonna do it exactly like I did this one. So I'm gonna first go in with the color Prism and kind of make a liner to about the center portion of my eye. And then I'm going to go in with Your Kidding from James Charles's palette, the red. And go directly underneath it. And then bring that portion right around to the corner of my eye. And that is the finishing look of the 2019 Day 6 Red Smoky Eye. I'm going to go off camera now and put on some lashes and a winged liner. And I'll come back and probably have the rest of my makeup on to do the outro part of my video. Okay, so see you guys in 1 second. Hey YouTube, I'm back with the Day 6 finished look. This is the red smoky eyed look. I just threw on some lashes and a wing liner and let it go. Like I said, today's 2 looks with the pink smoky eye and the red smoky eye. We're just going to be 2 simple looks for you guys today. I didn't do anything special. As I said, today was one of those days where I just was not feeling like getting on here, but I just wanted to come in and do something for you guys because I promised I would do 14 looks, and that's what I'm going to do. So your girl came on, did the daggone thing, and we're about to be out. So you can go try this look for yourself. It's just a simple everyday look. You can do it with any color. You can do it with blue. You can do it with green. You can do it with yellow. You can do it with whatever you want to do it with. So I hope you like the looks. And I didn't even finish putting on any more makeup today because I'm just ready to just lay it down. Just put it down. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm going to do. But I hope you like the looks. And I hope it was easy enough for you to do in case you're not somebody who likes to get glammed up on Valentine's Day. Something simple enough for you to just do your eyeshadow and get on out with your boo. Okay, so use the techniques YouTube, and I'll be back tomorrow or the day after with 2 more looks for you guys. All right, so I'll see you then. Bye YouTube.